Day, guys. This is the main. Tapos na sabi simbahan ng Quiapo. Ay, simbahan ng Baclaran, hindi Quiapo. Almost Saturday, Sundays, the same like this. Dito yung yung mag-ano ka ng candle. Tapos I will go na, and that was the end. Kumbaga, that was the entrance. Supposed to be. Hindi ako dito ha. But probably ganito ang nangyari. It was just for Christmas, believe. This was the biggest church here in the Philippines. The Baclaran Church.
Sa isa ka balay, puro ni sa isa ka balay. Grabe ka.
So I need to go home. This was the another side of the church. This is the front side. So this is the back of that. This is the area that you have to write your wish, and then Father will, how do you call that? Well, it was in the mass. They will say something. This is the side view of the church. The church is so big. This was Three Kings. That is why a lot of people here. Three Kings here. I need to go home now, guys. So I'm lucky I can visit the Baclaran Church before I go home. Simbang gabi. People, they have banding here, guys. It was the MRT or RRT out. The Act of Hope. To hope and act of creations. Of Seasons Creation 2024. They have a small look, we need to visit again. Look, this is the wish. The Ways of Hope by Virgin Mary. Yeah, what we're going to do is to send the money inside. It's just a wish. Yeah, we have a lot of people here. They were just sending money. They will throwing like that, and then they will make a wish. God, thanks a lot for everything that you share with us, especially the blessing for almost a year of 2024, and thank you so much. More blessings to come for 2025. So this is Baclaran Church, guys. So I need to go home now because yeah, it was. They have a second mass, but I need to go home because I have headache na. Thank you so much, guys. I need to go home now, guys. This is Baclaran.
Hindi na niya kinuha yun.
Kuya, tempered glass, 50 na lang, libre na palagay. Pa-tempered na kayo tayo, tempered glass, ate, 50 na lang, libre na palagay. Ate, kuya, tempered glass, 50 na lang, libre na palagay. Sisigato na lang, 50 na lang, libre na kayo. Madam Bossy, pa-tempered na kayo, libre na palagay. Dito na kayo magpa-tempered, lapit na kayo, Madam Bossy.
Boda. Kung sa'yo I say some food side.
Mga lucky charm ko, Buddha.
Wala na po yung yung parang ganito lang din siya pero wala siyang design.
Yan, dragon yan. Ito mo lang design plain.
Ha?
Plain siya, parang ano din. Ito, simple lang.
Lucky charm.
Cute siya.
Ay, well, lucky charm?
Lucky charm yan, ma'am. Tingnan mo, mabigat siya, Buddha. Pang-kontra yan sa lahat. Pag may papasok na malas, yan. Maganda yan.
May door na ako eh.
Ha?
Meron na ako.
Hindi naman Buddha yan eh. Pag-review yan. Pang-blazing yan, maganda yan. Ang maganda sa Buddha, ate, pang-kontra. Buenas. Muslim man o Chinese yan. Walang masama dyan.
Hindi ba yung hinahanap ko?
Pure
Pero
yan.
ganun din. Iba yung hiwa yung hinahanap ko.
Baka meron pa dyan, Tim. Check mo na yan.
Mas mga dapat, pasok kayo madala.
Kaya magkano ka, so?
Hindi tayo dyan ba?
Magkano ka mo?
Magkano to, kuya? 250 talaga. Guys, mahal pa talaga, mahal. It's expensive. Tigyan na talaga na sa world. Oh guys, since malapit na. I would like to say thank you guys for the support, guys, for every time that I'll do live here. And thanks for supporting our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. More blessings to come for those who share their blessings. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video. Babu.